moved into this area here in Menifee, California. We went from probably a $300 a month power bill in the summer to an over $600 a month power bill. It's really hot here in Menifee. Hits triple digits most of the year, actually. And so that was a big hit to our wallet in that first few months that we were here. And our first thought was, how do we, fix that and lower that? Based on how much energy that those panels are producing, it's really clear that they're going to offset our costs. We haven't seen any power consumption from the energy company, so I'm hopeful that that'll carry on. I think all through the fall and winter, to not have to have that bill every month is really, really exciting. That's just money we can do other things with, and that's money we can use for the kids or for the home or whatever else comes around.